To completely disable Microsoft Defender in Windows 11, you will need to follow two steps. First, press the Start button, and then type in GPEdit to open the group policy. Under Computer Configuration, unfold Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and check Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Select Enabled, and then OK. Press the Start button again, and type in regedit to open up the registry editor. Go to HQ Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Defender. Right-click on the right, and select New, DWORD, 32-bit. Set its name to Disable Anti-Spyware, double-click it and change its value to 1. Right-click Windows Defender, and create a new key. Set its name to Real-Time Protection. Right-click it, and select New DWORD, 32-bit. Set its name to Disable Real-Time Monitoring, and set its value to 1. Restart your computer. Under Settings and Windows Security, you will see that now Windows Defender is inactive. All done. Please subscribe.